Here we have a 2019 Mazda CX-5 GT. It has a 2.5 liter inline-4 engine, automatic transmission with all-wheel drive, and just over 10,000 kilometers. For the interior, we have your power folding mirror controls, your power windows and locks, all found right below the door handle there. We have a nice wood grain silver trim coming off the door handle as well. You get some extra storage at the bottom of the door panel, and you can see on the speaker that it's equipped with the BOSE sound system there. Then we have a really nice combination for the interior, black on black. Also have your leather bucket seats up front with this kind of bronzy, orangish gold stitching all throughout. It has a really cool design in the middle as well. Both front seats are power operated, with the driver's seat being memory set as well. And the CX-5 GT is push button start, found right in front of you on the dash there. And you can see it has 10,784 kilometers on the odometer. Actually still has that new car smell in it. And then over here we have your power liftgate control, your traction control system, and your lane departure warning system. We have your stereo and Bluetooth controls on this side, and your adaptive cruise control on the other. And for the stereo, you get AM, FM, and XM radio. You have USB and auxiliary input, as well as Bluetooth connectivity. And when the vehicle is in reverse, this is where your backup camera will show up. The vehicle is also equipped with factory navigation. And in here, you actually can control a lot of things. One is the AP display. So that's actually your heads-up display. See if I can get it for you. Since it's an LED, it does flicker. That's only because it's being recorded. So you can control the height of it, the brightness of it. You can actually rotate it if you want. It's all completely customizable. In here, you also have all your safety settings as well. So you have your blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, all that fun stuff. So it's kind of the main setup for everything you need for the vehicle. And then below that, we have your heated steering wheel control. We have your dual zone climate control with ice cold air conditioning. Also have heated and ventilated seats for both the front passengers. So heated, ventilated, and over here heated and ventilated. Let's go ahead and turn those off. And then below that, we have a nice little 12-volt input, a storage pocket there, automatic transmission, and then the silver little dial here, or toggle I should say, is your sport mode. And below that, we have your electronic parking brake and your auto hold. This is the dial that you use to spin to go through all the menus in the screen I was showing you before. And then you have your shortcut for back. You got your music, home, navigation, you can set a favorite. And then the small dial is for volume. And then to quick mute it, you just press it down and mutes everything nice and easy. And then between the front seats, we have two cup holders. We have a nice leather armrest here with the same stitching as the seats, as you can see. And in here, we have a nice little storage tray that you can remove if you want. And that gives you access to much deeper storage. I'll get the cord out of the way there. And in here, you can see we have your SD card reader. You have your two USB ports. Get the cord out of the way again. The one for the phone is for your Apple Carplay or Android Auto, so it only works if you have it plugged into that specific input. Got your auxiliary input as well as a 12-volt. And up here we have your auto-dimming rearview mirror. Your garage door openers are mounted below that. Then we have your dome light and sunroof controls, and you find your sunroof right above both the front seats. The CX-5 GT is equipped with 19-inch factory alloy wheels wrapped in Toyo tires. We have a really nice white color for the exterior that contrasts the black interior quite nicely. The vehicle also has 3M paint protection. As you can see, that little line, if you get really close to it, you can see it. But from any distance other than that, you don't really notice it. Then up front, we have LED headlights, LED fog lights. And then you also have a black trim piece that goes along the bottom of the vehicle and the wheel wells that actually protects your paint from any rock or debris that might get kicked up while driving. You can see we have your folding rear view mirrors, got your roof rail along the top there, the black circle on the door handles for your keyless entry, and then we have your tinted rear windows for privacy, 4-wheel disc brakes. It does have LED taillights as well. Then we have your rear wiper, the CX-5 all-wheel drive badge, Mazda emblem right in the middle, then we have your i-ACTIV badge on the other side. Further down, you'll see your trailer hitch right in the middle, and the CX-5 GT is equipped with dual exhausts, one on each side. We'll go ahead and press the button underneath the Mazda emblem. So your power lift gate, really quick, nice and easy, goes all the way up. And back here, you do get plenty of storage space. As you can see, this little cargo cover here to create a separation between the storage area and the seating area if you need. Then underneath here, we have your spare tire. In the middle is the subwoofer for the BOSE sound system. This is put here. Sorry, phrasing. It doesn't actually get in the way at all. There's plenty of wires that there's enough room that you can get it out of the way, and it actually shares the same bolt as the spare tire. And it doesn't take up any extra storage space, so you give up really nothing having it here. And then for the spare tire, we have all the tools that you need to change it in case of emergency in their own little spots all around the spare tire there. And if you do need more space, you can fold down the rear seats. They do come down in a 40-20-40 split. And it's as simple as, for the middle one, pulling that down. You can see it goes all the way down. And that is actually super handy if you're trying to haul something longer, say skis, lumber, a tree, really anything you wanted. And having that like that, you can haul the long thing that you need while still maintaining 4 usable passenger seats. For the rear interior, we have your power window switch found right below the door handle. And just like the front, we have that nice trim piece coming off that as well. Armrest is nice leather with the same stitching as the seats. And then we have a little storage pocket by the speaker at the very bottom. In the back of the CX-5, you get plenty of legroom and headroom back here. The rear seats are the same material and design as the front. And you also have a storage pocket on the back of both the front seats there. And two climate control vents right in the middle for the rear passengers. My favorite thing about the back seat is actually the armrest here. So you fold it down, it's nice and sturdy, giving you 2 cup holders, and this is actually where you find your heated seat controls. For the rear heated seats, of course. And then you can open this up and you have a little bit of storage, and then you have 2 USB ports in the armrest as well. So 2 USB ports, a little bit of storage, 2 cup holders, heated seat controls. Everything can be easily tucked away in the armrest if you don't need it. And that was the 2019 Mazda CX-5 GT. If you're interested in this well-optioned all-wheel drive SUV, you can go to parkmazda.ca to fill out the form to book your test drive. When you come down, get you a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles reward miles. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.